round St. Naum's Monastery and the springs of the River Drim will remain forever in the memory of the visitor to Ochrid. We continue our tale of the Lake of Ochrid with a visit to Struga, the second largest town on the lake's shores. "14 kilometers from Ochrid, Struga is also an important tourist resort and has much to offer. The River Drim is a unique natural phenomenon. It rises on the other shore of the lake and flows through the lake, and at Struga leaves the lake and divides the town into two parts. Struga, too, offers you a breath of primeval air and a harmonious mixture of the past and the present. In antique times, Struga was known as Enchalon, meaning eel. Until recently, when the River Drim had dams built along it, eels from here set out on their long journey to spawn as far away as the Sargasso Sea, after which the young elvers instinctively returned via the River Drim to the waters of the lake. Eels to this day are characteristic of the town. They have been, and still are, a feature of Struga. Struga is a town with about 20,000 inhabitants. It is known for its numerous cultural events, its museums and churches, and its tourist potential. Poets call it the town of poetry, for it is here that the Struga Poetry Evenings Festival is held, known throughout the world. At this unique event, which is symbolically known as Bridges, poets from all meridians bring with them their impressions and their messages. Other important events include the Struga Cultural Summer Festival, the Autumn Music Festival, and the review of folk costumes. The birthplace of the Miladinov brothers, outstanding figures of the revival of the Macedonian people, is now a museum devoted to their great work. When visiting Struga, one should see the Church of St. George, endowed by Tsar Samuel, built on the foundations of Samuel's church. By the Kalishte ecclesiastical complex is the cave church of the Holy Mother of God. The specific flora and fauna of Lake Ohrid are shown in the Struga Natural History Museum, founded by the great researcher Dr. Nikola Nezlobinski. In Struga too, the market and commercial quarter has been active for centuries. Trades and crafts have survived, providing work for generations. Side by side with buildings from recent times, these buildings, with an architectural style that is typical of the place, are jealously protected. A number of them were built in the past centuries and belonged to the richest of the tradesmen, craftsmen and merchants. Surviving from those days is the saying that there is no town like Struga. Traditional visitors from the countries of the Balkans, from Germany, the Netherlands and Scandinavia know well the tourist attractions that Struga has to offer. Close to the spot where the River Dream flows out of the lake stands the Dream Hotel. The Belgrade Hotel is in the town itself, while in its neighborhood there are the Bisera, or Pearl, the Izgrev, or Sunset, and the Eurotel hotels. For those who prefer camping, this part of the shore provides ideal opportunities. This journey of ours would not be complete without a word about the typical cuisine from these parts. The climate and the lakeside fruits guarantee healthy eating and a real delight for gourmets. Our journey along the shores of Lake Ohrid finishes here. All that has been said and shown of its particular character, of the richness of its cultural heritage, of its long sandy beaches and modern tourist complexes, will surely be confirmed during your stay here.